Hi guys. See how I got it like that. In the event you do want to purchase this wig, at least you see everything that it took to get the wig to look like this, so you know how much work it may or may take to get the wig to look like that. Please stay tuned as I go ahead and show you guys how I got the wig to look like this. And again, I have it in the Outre melted hairline lace front wig, and I have it in the style Arlissa. some things I used a natural hairline, so you can see how natural it follows my hairline, so I didn't need to tweeze it. I would rate this wig a 10 out of 10 because it doesn't shed as far as I can tell. It's a beautiful length. It looks like about a 14-inch. It is medium to big head friendly. It does come with adjustable strap if you need to adjust the cap size. And I'm loving the strap for the lace, so that the lace lays flatter, so they give you that strap, I think that starts right here, and you put it in the back of your head, and it also aids the lace in laying extremely flat and laid. Another product that I used so I have that, and I think that's about all I used on here. I didn't curl it over. I didn't redo the curlage. I didn't do